The United Nations Security Council has unanimously extended the sanctions on Sudan until September 12, 2025, aiming to limit the flow of weapons and foster peace and stability.
Every day, they are faced with intensified fighting and restrictions on humanitarian aid, persistent human rights violations, and mass displacement. This adoption sends an important signal to them that the international community remains focused on their plight and is committed to advancing peace and security in Sudan and the region.
But at the same time, humanitarian concerns are escalating. The Food and Agriculture Organization has started distributing seeds to farmers for the upcoming winter season to support the cultivation of vegetables and wheat. The health system is also under a lot of stress, with more than 100 attacks on healthcare facilities. The insecurity has forced many workers to flee with their families, worsening the shortage of medical staff.
حقيقة الآن المستشفيات نعاني كثير يعني إذا أي إنسان عنده مريض الآن كثير منهم يعني ماتوا من أجل شنو؟ لا وجود دواء، لا وجود عناية، لا وجود كل شيء.
Meanwhile, the Norwegian and Danish refugee councils said, through a joint statement on Tuesday, that Sudan is facing a starvation crisis of historic proportions. They further criticized the global community's inaction as people die from hunger daily amidst ongoing civil war. The UN reports that 53% of Sudan's displaced population are women and girls, with over 6.7 million people at risk of gender-based violence. Incidents of intimate partner violence, sexual exploitation, abuse, and human trafficking are widespread and on the rise. Since April 2023, Sudan has been engulfed in a violent power struggle between rival factions of the Sudanese armed forces and the paramilitary Rapid Support Forces. The conflict has displaced over 10 million people. As of September 8, 2024, the death toll had risen to at least 20,000, with 33,000 others wounded. Bureau Report, NewsX.